These cells are typically silicon-based, though thin film cells are also used. Other materials include glass, metal frames, encapsulant materials like EVA and PVB back sheets. Polycrystalline panels are cost-effective and made from multiple silicon crystals. Thin film panels are flexible and lightweight, making them ideal for various applications. The manufacturing process begins with silicon wafer production. These wafers are then used to create solar cells through doping, etching, and applying an anti-reflective coating. The cells are assembled into panels, which are then laminated and encapsulated to protect them from environmental damage. Solar panels have a wide range of applications.